Bluey then flew all over here. I think Bluey is frozen. Flew right in front of Shadow like it's natural. Shadow, leave back. Bluey, Shadow is not your friend, bro. I like that. Don't hurt the bird, Shadow. Why y'all get so quiet for? Y'all was making all noise. That's right. You better get on up out of there, Bluey. Go on back to your cage, bro.
Shadow looking at Larry like, what was that about? That was wild.
Bluey wanted to get out the cage, I guess. I don't know what that is.
And come over here with Shadow like, maybe he friendly.
Shadow watching the birds. Yep. It's a whole nother world now.
He is not interested in dogs at the dog park. He's just interested in smelling them and walking on them. He don't want to play with them. He was kind of playing with Bluey yesterday.
Yeah, he was playing with Bluey yesterday.
I found that wild. Like, dang.
He was jumping up in the air and everything.
Yeah. And Bluey was like, okay, let me get away from this guy.
Y'all better watch out for Stewie. Stewie come out. Stewie come out of nowhere with them, and they don't probably know that he gonna eat them. They don't even know.
This slow turtle want to get in.
Yeah, that turtle want to eat them. Stewie want to eat them so bad. I wonder how they taste to him. You know what I'm saying? To me, I eat that with one bite.
Oh no!
You know, after you fry it.
So
fried parrot?
There's no such thing, and that's weird.
Yeah. They haven't even went upstairs yet. They gonna be flying all around. Upstairs and everything. You cool with that?
Where they gonna land?
On the floor. And then eventually, I'm gonna get some purchase. Probably spend about $100 worth of purchase.
Time for them just to stand up.
So they can fly wherever they want to. Make them fly over in the corner. Fly upstairs. But they had until November. I am more satisfied today than I was ever.
You always giving people until November.
Because November ain't no joke. You need to be honest. You need to be real. Up in this house, November ain't no joke. Mm-mm. Things change over. Well, I thought one time Bluey was on the floor walking like that, and I thought it was a mouse or something up in there.
I thought that Bluey was gone yesterday. I was so concerned. I was like, oh man, I really hope Shadow did not eat this bird.
I thought you said Stewie.
No, I was talking about Shadow.
Yeah, I thought you said Stewie was gone yesterday.
No, I was talking about Bluey because I didn't see him when I came down. Gringo was just sitting there. Next thing you know, I think he probably started telling Bluey, she's down here. And I couldn't see him, but I swore I heard, some chirping somewhere other than Gringo. Then I pulled out the cage, and Bluey just sitting back there like, finally somebody came. Help me get up in that cage. As soon as I put that ladder down, he came from behind the cage and walked through the ladder.
So the ladder wasn't out?
No.
The ladder's supposed to be up. Did I do that or did you leave? Didn't put it up?
No, I didn't even open it up. You opened up the cage, cracked it.
Didn't put the ladder out. And Bluey was what, behind the thing?
Yeah.
Down on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, so
and when I pulled it out,
that's when he had jumped.
Up like, what you gonna do?
Like move out the way?
No, you looking up like, what are you gonna do? And that's when I put that ladder down. Like, finally, that's how he looked. Like, okay. Man, that was ridiculous.
Bluey, ain't nothing on the carpet now. He just, it is stuff around here. Dang, I got a sweep.
No, we can let the.
So when we went upstairs, are you gonna put the vacuum on it?
I'm gonna pull.
You gonna put Victor on it? Bluey sitting up here.
Going to town. Gringo said,
I'm good. You know, when we went upstairs, when I came down, they was on the floor. So they've been doing this all day.
Oh, wow.
And then I guess they we like this room. It's pretty comfortable. Today is the first day that they're acting like real birds. Like they're my birds. At first they've been acting like, if I ain't got no mullet, they don't want to be bothered. And even if I did have some mullet, they still didn't want to be bothered. I chased them one last time yesterday. And I reminded them again, y'all got into November.
Oh.
I was just going to get rid of Bluey that's right here. That's what I was going to get rid of.
Wow, that doesn't make sense. I understand Green Gourd is more comfortable.
Green Gourd. Bluey be discouraging Green Gourd.
Bluey is the cleanest out of both of them. Bluey will soak in the water.
Bluey take baths like
Green
every other day.
Acts like water is offensive. And Shadow's like, whatever to them. Let me get my toys.
Bluey don't even get up and fly away with Shadow. You know that? That's so weird. You would think that, look, he finna come over here to him. Here he come. Don't get hurt, Bluey. Messing with this. Look, Shadow put it down like. Look at him. Shadow like, hey, you just don't know, sweetheart.
You ain't gonna do nothing to Bluey.
Bluey ain't got his wings all the way. He should, but whoever clipped his wings, they clipped too much or something. He still got to climb a ladder. He can't fly straight up.
Like
Green Gourd can fly now. One more month, Green Gourd probably got like 99% of his wings. And then they looking at how crazy he acting now. See,
Shadow, the reason why Shadow probably started doing that, which I'm happy about, is because we was talking about the birds too much.
Like, shaking. You talking about grabbing this toy and shaking?
Yeah. Like, hey,
you over it? You over it, Shadow? He said, this boring, man. I know.
I'm sorry.
When I get you another mutt, you'll be all right. Let's just get a mutt. We ain't gotta get that name.
Why do you gotta even say mutt? Ugh.
I love mutts. I gotta make a shirt called Love Mutts. I love you mutts.
I want a straight up puppy.
You want to start over like Shadow? Lower than Shadow. You want a younger than what he was? He was like about 11 weeks, 10 weeks. That's the perfect time too.
Yeah, something like that. I'm talking something like that. A doggy that's about the age when we got Shadow.
Yeah, Bluey and Green Gourd flew on my shoulders today. Like, what's up, man? I stopped harassing them for real, like.
And stayed away from them for a while.
Give them some time. Oh.
Shadow, what happened?
He gonna throw up. You gave him that steak like it was normal. Look at him. Like, you did give me that steak.
It was fine.
You don't supposed to give it to him. You're supposed to give it to me. He got his kibble right there. How many of y'all get y'all dog steak? Courtney see too many videos. All he need is kibble, right?
No.
She want to give him chicken, steak.
And bone broth.
We stopped giving him bones.
We didn't stop.
Oh, you still giving bones? Oh, okay.
Oh, no, I said bone broth.
Oh.
I want to actually make some.
Why don't you make some then? What's stopping you? You scared he ain't gonna like it?
No. But I wanted to make it out of, like, whatever you do, chicken.
Make it out of chicken?
You can do it out of Yeah, chicken or beef. I was gonna say any bone. No, it's chicken or beef.
You gonna want some bone broth? You like bone broth, Shadow? Nope.
Yeah, you do.
What about chicken? Nope. What about steak? Nope.
Shadow is not paying any attention to you asking me this question.
You wanna go outside? Nope.
No.
Like, I want them to come back down and play. Those are birds. They do their own thing, Shadow.
Literally.
They finna take a nap. They on one leg. I know y'all not finna sleep like that up there. They doing too much. They real comfortable on that square. Something that y'all need to do some research on. They usually like circular things to stand on, but they like that square action. You hear that noise they making? That's the sound of relaxation and contentment. And you can see them closing their eyes like they're finna go to sleep. How many of y'all grind y'all teeth? These birds grind their beaks. Why don't you call him, Courtney?
I gotta put my leg down.
That's okay. He wants you.
Come here, Shadow.
No, his tail went. You don't hear his tail wagging?
Yeah, Shadow. Come here, Shadow.
Nope.
Shadow.
Nope. Go to Courtney.
Oh, please.
Look at him.
Come here, Shadow.
She don't want me.
Come here, Shadow.
Go to Courtney.
Come here, Shadow. Come here, Shadow.
Why he just growled at you?
Because Shadow is wild. You know, I just got up to get my bone.
Shadow is his own person, for real. And he's overweight tremendously.
No, he's not.
Wow, you in denial now, baby.
5 pounds. The last
It's probably
time.
more than that
I
now.
don't think so because I've been cutting back on the
What?
not cutting
What?
back.
What? Right. Ain't nothing changed since then. That means he gonna continue to gain. Then he's not really taking as many walks because of his leg.
Yeah.
I used to take him on so many walks. You know. But
You'll be okay.
Courtney want to strict it down to one more time. You want to do that one more time? Just wait till Sunday one more time.
Mm-hmm. I mean, not all next week. It's just he doing too much running.
He gonna do that anyway. If we don't take him for walks, he act like it ain't nothing wrong.
Upstairs, he
want to play.
I don't even think it's an act upstairs because of the park.
You think that the softness changes things, huh? It probably do.
Heck, it does for my leg.
Yeah. Now he eating on his bone and his toy at the same time. That's Down syndrome.
No, it's not.
Choose one. Shadow, what did you make that noise for? Oh, he got something, Courtney.
Who?
No, he ate it. He ate it, whatever it is.
It's a piece of that the stuff on the bone.
Oh, he finally got a piece of it. You gonna order him some jerky one day?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called? Pity turkey or something?
What's pity turkey?
Bully.
Oh, the bully stick.
Bully stick, yeah.
Child is so piggish. Wow.
We can take it back. Send it back.
Yeah. I really want to just get one from Petco.
Yeah.
But they cost too much. That's insane.
It don't
They
matter.
are, this they do. $18 for the one that's
$18.
It was like $16 to $18 for the one that's like that long.
And how thick is it though? I see how that's a foot. That's called a foot.
It's like,
How long that's gonna last?
I don't know.
I remember when he first got here, he used to eat bully sticks and everything, but he'll bash it. Uh-oh.
Oh,
fish.
well, he must have really went to sleep and fell over.
I think they up now. They be taking quick bird
Probably
naps.
like, whoa. I just passed out. I almost fell off of this thing.
No, they on both. They on all 4 of their feet now.
Not 4. Both.
Well, it's 4 feet.
Where? Oh, talking about 2 apiece.
Yeah. They all right. They gonna fly back down. You know they got a super high metabolism.
Yeah, look at how they be in their cage flapping their wings, getting that mostly be Green Gourd flapping his wings, getting prepared.
Well, he got it now. Got the fish. There goes Simon right there. Y'all know which one Simon? Simon. That red zebra stripe. That blue Theodore. The green one. It's Mocha. Yep. That's all I know. Y'all here to see Shadow? This is how Shadow chills, y'all. His left leg is more thinner. His left back leg is thinner than the other leg. I think that was a defect that he was born with. That leg right there. It's thinner. I seen people cut their dog's legs off. Not intentionally.
It's not then, I'm just going to cut his leg off. It must be because of cancer or something happened.
Dogs with cancer, Courtney.
What? You don't think that's a real thing? It obviously is because they say it.
He getting it. He finally getting that bone. He cut another piece off?
Yeah. Nice.
Man, I think it's been a year.
Well,
He's finally working on this.
When you would pull it off, that's fairly new. It ain't been a year. It's about, because I got it like in September, early September.
Mm-hmm.
Last year, but it ain't been a year. Dang.
Go Shadow. Go Shadow. I shouldn't even say that. Go ahead, do your thing. I'm so proud of you. I should never had dug. I done dug all the marrow out the other. Yeah. And the other day he was licking inside of trying to get some. I didn't even say that.
Still in there. It's supposed to preoccupy him.
Well, he wouldn't mess with it. So, and he wanted me to peel some off of it and give it to him.
Yeah, because it had a heavy smoke smell.
Remember that heavy smoke smell?
Mm-hmm.
They smoked that for about 24 hours.
Probably.
Shadow like barbecue too. When I barbecue, I give him some bones. But that stuff is pretty much over with. We done giving him bones. Courtney gonna sneak and give him whatever she get. Y'all heard me say sneak. Because if I catch her, what happens, Courtney?
Nothing.
Nothing happens.
It doesn't.
You still give it to him. This is just yeah. Can't stop her from doing wrong to her dog by giving him steak and chicken. But when I tried to give him something, she wanted to hear.
No, you never do right. You be trying to give them hot stuff. It's like you can't do that. Their system is different than ours.
Yeah. One time, I think she gave him some hot stuff. I did. Nah, I had some fufu or something. I gave him something, and he had diarrhea. Yeah. Them days are over though, now ain't they, Shadow? Yeah. I'm gonna play with the birds for a little bit. And Green Gourd be just moving, I'm telling you. Only thing Green Gourd lack at is hygiene, personal hygiene. All he need to do is start taking a bad look. They finna fly down here. Did they fly down here last time? Yeah. They're in there eating up something.
Probably some millet just sitting up there.
Ain't no millet up there. They went back in the cage. Yeah. They finna get ready to go to sleep. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Shadow and me. We are out this piece. Say bye, Shadow. Oh man, every time I gotta go and do this. See, look, he said bye. That's him saying bye. I gotta make a compilation. Boy, you got something on your bottom lip. You got it? Shadow. Yep, you got it. You getting it. All right, man.